All right, Web3 fanatics, buckle up because MetaVerse Update is dropping the hottest news. First up, Global Gold is launching a meme coin that could change how we see digital wealth. Then, we're diving deep into the shadowy side of Hollywood and how it's intertwined with crypto fraud schemes. You won't believe what we found. Next, a major financial player linked to Jack Ma is making a huge move with Ethereum, potentially reshaping its role as a reserve asset. And finally, get ready to party with Polkadot as their flagship conference, Sub-Zero SYMBIOSIS, heads to Argentina. You do not want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's dive in. Global Gold bridges worlds with new meme coin. This is huge. Global Gold is shaking things up by launching a meme coin called GOLDN, aiming to fuse the tangible value of gold with the accessibility of Web3. Think of it as a digital gold rush, but with a community-driven twist. Global Gold isn't just dropping a token, they're building a decentralized gold community in Web3. The GOLDN coin is designed to appeal to both crypto natives and traditional investors by offering stability backed by gold, combined with the fun and engagement of meme coins. They're planning exciting features like gold mining rewards, staking opportunities, and a commitment to ESG-aligned sourcing, ensuring transparency and ethical practices in their gold supply chain. This project is all about bridging the gap between the speculative world of digital assets and the solid reality of owning physical commodities, all governed by its active community. Analysts are buzzing about GOLDN's potential to attract a whole new wave of investors who are familiar with meme coins like Dogecoin, but are looking for a more secure, tangible asset. The community is already hyped, with early supporters seeing this as a revolutionary way to access and trade gold in the digital age. The project's roadmap includes collaborations with gold dealers and Web3 platforms, aiming to expand its reach even further. But is this the future of digital wealth or just another meme? Stick around to find out. And speaking of big moves, we're about to uncover how Hollywood's glitz and glamour is getting tangled up with some seriously shady crypto fraud schemes. Hollywood's dark secret, crypto scams go mainstream. Get ready for a shocking exposé. We're pulling back the curtain on how Hollywood is inadvertently becoming a breeding ground for crypto fraud schemes. It seems the allure of Web3 and the metaverse has captured the attention of Tinseltown, but this fascination comes with a dangerous downside. Recent trends show a disturbing interconnection between fraudulent crypto schemes and the mainstream narratives being pushed by Hollywood. From celebrity endorsements of questionable projects to plotlines in movies and TV shows that normalize risky digital asset investments, the lines between entertainment and deception are blurring. This isn't just about a few bad actors. It's about a systemic influence where the very platforms meant to entertain are being leveraged to promote and legitimize potentially harmful financial schemes, making it harder for the public to discern genuine opportunities from elaborate scams. The public reaction is a mix of concern and disbelief, with many viewers and crypto enthusiasts expressing worry about the potential for widespread exploitation. Social media is abuzz with discussions about which projects might be influenced by these narratives and how to protect oneself. Industry watchdogs are calling for greater transparency and stricter regulations, especially concerning celebrity involvement in crypto promotions, highlighting the urgent need for investor education in this rapidly evolving landscape. Can we trust what we see on the big screen when it comes to our investments? Coming up next, a financial titan linked to Jack Ma is making a massive splash in Ethereum, and it could redefine its place in the Web3 world. Jack Ma's empire bets big on Ethereum. This is massive news for the future of digital assets. A financial group with deep ties to Alibaba co-founder, Jack Ma is making a huge strategic investment in Ethereum. Yunfeng Financial Group, a prominent Hong Kong-listed entity, has just acquired 10,000 ETH, worth around $44 million, as a cornerstone for its expansion into Web3, real-world assets RWAs, and artificial intelligence. They're not just buying crypto, they're positioning ETH as a key reserve asset for tokenizing real-world assets and integrating with decentralized finance. This move diversifies their treasury away from traditional currencies and signals a major endorsement of Ethereum's potential beyond just speculation, aiming to leverage its blockchain for innovation in insurance and DeFi. This acquisition places Yunfeng among an elite group of corporations now holding substantial amounts of Ethereum, with total corporate holdings reaching over 4.44 million ETH. Analysts are watching closely, seeing this as a strong indicator of growing institutional confidence in ETH as a stable, long-term strategic reserve. The move aligns with a broader trend where traditional financial institutions are increasingly exploring and integrating digital assets into their core strategies, potentially paving the way for wider adoption and acceptance. Could this be the sign that Ethereum is solidifying its role as a global reserve asset? And finally, get ready for a massive Web3 gathering as Polkadot announces its flagship conference is coming to Argentina. Polkadot's Global Bash, Sub-Zero Symbiosis lands in Argentina. Get ready, Web3 builders and innovators. Polkadot's premier conference, Sub-Zero Symbiosis, is touching down in Buenos Aires, Argentina this November. This isn't just another conference. It's a 3-day deep dive into the future of Polkadot and Web3, happening at the incredible Bubble Studio. The theme, Symbiosis, highlights Polkadot's commitment to building resilient, censorship-resistant, and privacy-first infrastructure, especially crucial in today's volatile world. Expect cutting-edge discussions, hands-on workshops, a 24-hour hackathon, and insights into powerful tools like the Polkadot SDK and the groundbreaking Jam protocol. They're bringing together builders, founders, investors, and thought leaders from across the globe, plus a special scholarship program for top talent from Buenos Aires universities. With DevConnect also in Argentina that week, Buenos Aires is set to become the epicenter of Web3 innovation. Sub-Zero Symbiosis is uniquely positioned to showcase how Polkadot's technology can address real-world challenges, particularly in regions like Latin America, where open, decentralized systems are desperately needed. Beyond the main stages, attendees can look forward to over 25 side events, live streaming of all content, hackathons with substantial bounties, gaming centers, and immersive learning sessions, all designed to foster creativity, culture, and cutting-edge tech. This is the place to be for anyone serious about the future of decentralized tech. That wraps up today's top stories, but don't go anywhere. We've got a lightning-fast recap and a full call to action coming right up. And that's a wrap on today's MetaVerse update. We saw Global Gold launch its innovative GOLDN meme coin, uncovered the disturbing link between Hollywood and crypto scams, witnessed Jack Ma's company make a massive $44 million ETH investment, and got hyped for Polkadot's Sub-Zero Symbiosis conference in Argentina. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to MetaVerse Update for all your crypto and Web3 news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment below with your thoughts on today's stories, and follow us on all our social channels for even more exclusive content. We'll see you in the next one.